Thank you, Margie. Recent layoffs from major corporations in the tech industry, well, they're impacting people's lives. You might have more rights than you realize. In fact, you might have room for negotiation. Joining us this morning is employment law attorney Alan Crone, who's also the author of The Law at Work. He has some tips to help people better negotiate a severance. Good morning, Alan.
Good morning. I appreciate being here.
We are glad to have you here with us this morning because this is something that's impacting a lot of people throughout the last year, especially right now. What types of questions, should employees ask during a layoff meeting?
Well, they should first ask why they're being fired.
Yeah.
And get that on the record. I'll say there are three things that you should think about when you're going into a meeting like that, whether it's a layoff, a reduction in force, or maybe you're getting fired for whatever reason. The first thing is talk less, listen more, to quote a great Broadway play.
Less is more.
Less is more. Ask questions, why am I being fired? What are you offering me? That sort of thing. But don't get into an argument with the person who's firing you. That decision's been made. There's nothing you can do about it right then. Take a pad, try to take down as many notes as possible.
Okay.
The second thing is don't sign anything at that meeting. Now, you may get pressured to sign something, but don't do it. Say, look, I want to take this and have my lawyer look at it, or I want to take this and think about it. If you're over 40, they have to give you 21 days to consider it, and then 7 days to revoke it even after you sign it. So you're not insulting anybody, take it with it. And the third thing is go see a lawyer. Have a lawyer look at it. It may or may not be negotiable. Everyone is different. But the lawyer can tell you what you're signing and what you're giving up and what it all means. There may be a non-compete provision in there or some other restriction on you that you may not understand because of the way it's written. So at least pay a lawyer to read it, to explain it to you, and then to see if you might have some negotiating room.
And when he said the word negotiation, some room, how can a lawyer help negotiate a severance package?
Well, again, it depends on the particular severance package. But if you're being fired, particularly on a one-off situation, you may be being fired unfairly or wrongfully. They may not be doing everything they're supposed to be doing. You may have other claims against the employer that you're giving up in this. Maybe they owe you for expenses, reimbursements, mileage, whatever that may be. You want to make sure you get your last paycheck. So a lawyer can make sure that you're getting everything that you're entitled to. And if you might have a claim against your employer, that lawyer can help you negotiate the severance payment up to compensate you for that.
You are a lawyer, you are an author. Now, how can your book, The Law at Work, help employers and employees in this situation better understand severance agreements, that is?
Right. Well, what I did in the book is I tried to take complex legal situations and write them for the non-lawyer. If I'd written this for lawyers, it would be 20 times as large because you got to put a lot of words in it. But I wanted people to be able to read it to understand what the law is, how it might affect them, and then that helps them make better decisions going forward. And it works for executives and employees. It also works for entrepreneurs and employers. Understand what the law is and apply it. Employment law is very, very complicated. If I were a plumber, I'd say call a plumber. If you have a leak, you need to call a lawyer because there's no more important relationship that you have other than maybe with your spouse or significant other. That's, your romantic relationship. Than your relationship with your employer. It's existential because it literally puts food on your table, so you need to make sure you understand your rights.
Where can we find this book, Alan?
You can find the book on Amazon. Just go to Amazon, type in my name, and it'll come right up.
All right, sounds good. Alan, thank you for joining us. Great information.
My pleasure. Thank you.
We'll have this full interview on our website, fox2now.com. Let's get over to Amelia for a look at your roadways.